What does it mean in American culture if someone winks at you? ئایا مانای چاوداگرتن چییە لە کولتوری ئەمریکی؟ And now the culture of the internet and smartphones is spreading the wink emoji all over the world. So it's even more important that you understand its meaning and how to use this part of English body language. Let's get started. Remember that body language is around 75% of communication between two people. زمانی جسته لدوری لسو هفتو پنج تگیشتنه لنیوان دو کسته. So that means you need to know the body language of a culture if you are really going to understand its language. O تگیشتنی زمانه فیرمونی زمانی جسته او کلتوریش پیوسته. So, what does it mean when someone does this? When someone winks at you. There are three main meanings for this action. Bagishti se manai hea bo am kardara. The first meaning is that someone wants you to understand that their words or actions are a joke. Ka qsa yan kardarian galdea. Imagine that you are a child and that you have a favorite aunt. This aunt always buys you the best gifts for your birthday. One day you see her and you ask her, Aunt Flan, are you going to get me a gift for my birthday this year? And your aunt responds by saying, No, I don't think I'm going to get you a gift this year. When she winked, she was telling you that she was not serious and only joking about not giving you a gift this year. The second meaning is when you share a secret with someone. Kaatek zanyari nehinit hea legal kasekitere. Maybe a relative who lives in Europe is coming to visit, but it's a surprise visit, and only one other person in your family knows about the visit. When your family talks about their plans for the week after the relative is going to arrive, you say that you really want to go on a picnic in Shaklawa that week, but you don't tell your family why. Then you wink at the other family member who knows about the surprise visit. This is to show them that they understand a secret that the rest of the family doesn't know about, that a relative is coming for a surprise visit, so a picnic that week would be perfect. The third meaning of a wink is when you have romantic interest in someone, and you want to communicate this in a very clear and obvious way. Kaatek hasti romansi tea bo kasek, u atuet awa pishani bedit bashewaze ka zor runa. Maybe you meet someone for the first time and you really like them and you really enjoy them, and it looks like they feel the same way about you. When saying goodbye, you might say, I hope I can see you again. They might respond by winking and saying, so do I. If they do this, it means they like you and they want you to know this clearly. This third use is the most dangerous because it can feel too direct. So you want to be careful about when and how you use it so that you don't offend people. Now, this third use is probably most common when people who have romantic interest in one another are texting each other on their mobiles or on the computer. Instead of doing this with their face, they might send each other the winking emoji. Do you see the connection between all three of these uses? In all of them, someone is trying to do an action that is fun and that makes you smile. Whether that is by showing you that they are joking, or by showing you that you share a secret together, or by showing you that they have romantic interest. So the wink action is meant to be a fun and playful kind of body language. Try to use it only in fun and playful situations, not in serious ones. For example, don't send a wink emoji to your boss at work. Hayatim, was this information about American body language new for you? If so, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Agar am zaniyaria taze bubet boto, با لەبیرت ناچێت سبسکرایب بکە بۆ ئەم چەناڵە. سپاسگوزارم بۆ تۆ حیاتم. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینی. خواحافیز.